Hey everyone, I'm Jason. I'm going to show you how to make air fryer chicken taquitos. It's really easy, so let's get started. Okay, we're going to get our filling heated up. So we have 4 cups of chopped up chicken. I used a rotisserie chicken. I like that because you get a nice mix of dark meat and white meat. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of water, and we have 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. And this entire recipe, by the way, is in the description box, so check it out. Okay, we just want to mix this up until the water evaporates. What we're trying to do here is get that taco seasoning mixed in and incorporated into the chicken. So once that's all evaporated, we're going to add our next ingredients. Okay, now that our chicken is fully mixed in with the taco seasoning, the water is pretty much evaporated. We're going to add 8 ounces or 1 brick of cream cheese. And some green onion and some finely minced jalapeno. We're going to go ahead and mix that and incorporate all the ingredients. Alright, our cream cheese and jalapeno and green onion is nice and mixed in, so we're going to take this off the heat and we're going to add this to our corn tortillas. Okay, so now we take our corn tortillas and we warm these up in the microwave so they're a little easier to work with. And we're going to take a few tablespoons and lay this in the corn tortilla. We're going to take some cheddar cheese or Tex-Mex, whatever you like. And we're going to tightly roll this up. And we're going to take a toothpick and just pin that so it stays rolled up. And we're going to place this on our cooking sheet. And we're going to go until we fill this up, and we're going to put it in the air fryer. Okay, we got 5 taquitos rolled out, and we're going to put a little olive oil on these to help them crisp up. Okay, now we're going to put these in the air fryer at 400 degrees. We're going to start at 6 minutes. Alright, here's our last 3 taquitos. They look delicious, nice and crispy. I'm going to dress those up and we'll give them a try. Alright, so here's the last 3 that we made. I garnished them with a little bit of raw jalapeno and some sauce that is basically sour cream and a little salsa, more or less. So let's give it a try. Really crunchy. Sure you could hear that. That's so good. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Give us a try. Let me know what you think. I love it. It's good. Not too bad. It's easy. Talk to you later, and thanks for watching.